while loop when we do not know number of iterations. Means we are not aware that how many times my loop is going to be executed. When I'm unaware of that, at that moment we use while loop. The questions which we are going to discuss for that is write a program to count number of digits. This is a question, it can be a very basic question, but still it gives a very good understanding of loops. So inside it, if I say count number of digits, for example, you do not know that a user is going to provide you 4-digit number or 2-digit number. Let's say one time user gave me this number. So total number of digits are how many? 5. Next time user may provide me a 3-digit number. So there is dynamic nature going on. Means you do not know that how many times your loop is going to be executed. In this form, we cannot apply for loop. Because inside the for loop, you have to keep yourself aware that how many times you have to execute that particular loop. But over here, when I am talking about that, I am not aware that either the number is going to come 3 times, 4 times. At that moment, we have to use while loop. How? Inside it, let's take an example that we are going to take number and we will ask user to provide us the number. Okay. And then now, for example, the first number is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Or to be more precise, let's change the number, that is 5, 6, 7 or 6, 7, 5. Okay. It is a 3-digit number. Now I have to tell that this is a 3-digit number. So how we could do that is total number of iterations will be 3 times. Correct? For this, we use the mathematical how? A classic division. 6, 7, 5. Now, each time I have to take one number to get this last number, and then I would be just keep on doing this stuff. How? We will divide it by 10. It is 67. So the answer would be something like this, 670. And now I got my first number, individual number, because our task is to get individual number and then we are going to count it. So I got my individual number 5, means one number, the first number. This is my updated number on which again I would be performing the operation 6 are 60. So the remainder is 7 and I got my second number. This is the second number which I got, and now my updated number is 6. On this 6, again I would be performing operation by 10. If I perform the operation something like this, usually if your numerator or basically your dividend is greater than your divisor, then remainder is that dividend itself, something like this. So now I got my all 3 individual numbers like this. So using these numbers, now I got that how many times my iteration went? 3 times. So the count of this number is 3. And till when my loop is going to execute it? Till my updated, my initial value, that is my original number, becomes 0 over here. So if we give a pseudo coding to this particular section, it would be something like my number till it is greater than 0, I have to keep on doing this stuff. Okay. And in this case, I would be taking my remainder. How? By using the modulus operator. And then I could use a count variable, which will be simply doing count plus 1. And now updation. This step is just to uh, give you an idea that we are taking individual number. You can skip all as well this line. And then we have to re-initialize, means we have to update our current number. So for that, what we will do? Like this. Let's code it. Initially, my count will be 0 of the numbers. Then I will say while my number is greater than 0. Till then, you have to keep on executing the loop. And how we will do? Num%, and then if I say count is equal to count plus 1, now updating the number like this. In this one. So now if I execute it, I gave same number, that is 6, 7. And if you want to check that how numbers are coming, you can give a print statement over here just to have some visualization. See, first I got 5, 7, and then 6. So in total, there are 3-digit numbers. If you change, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, you are getting 4-digit numbers. So this is how using while loop we can perform this operation.